driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today I am giving you guys some new cleaning motivation. There is a lot in this video, you guys, and I hope that you guys are motivated and inspired to get some cleaning done in your spaces. Of course, I am packing. I am transferring stuff from boxes into totes because they're just a lot easier to pack in my truck when I get my truck shipped to Georgia. I did announce that I am moving to Georgia in my previous video on my decorating channel. And I am super excited about it. Cannot wait. So we are in the process of packing and getting things together to get out of this house. Hopefully closing will be very soon in the month of May. So we are super excited. I've been selling furniture. My secretary desk that used to be in that empty spot on that wall has been sold. And you guys, we are coming down to the wire. My son is graduating. His prom is next week. I mean, just a whole lot going on. So I am packing and I already decluttered my bedroom. So I'm just packing a lot of my things that I'm not wearing right now, and a lot of the winter stuff that I'm not going to be wearing right now because it's starting to get warm, you guys, and I am so excited. It's 72 degrees today and it feels amazing. So let's go ahead and get some cleaning done. I have a lot of laundry to do. Just laundry, packing, and lots of sweeping, mopping, cleaning. So stay tuned. Hope you guys are motivated and inspired. And yeah, let's get cleaning.
But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see you smile. Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dancing till it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes.
So guys, just to let you know, I am in my car. Nyla is here with me. She's flipping through her magazine. I'm waiting on my kids. I just dropped them off at youth group and I'm just sitting in the car editing. So if you guys hear any background noises, that's what's going on. I have to edit wherever I can just because of time and everything that we have going on. But I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about everything that's happening, kind of giving you like a life update. So I did a life update video on my main channel And I can either link the video or you can just go to the channel, but I'll link the video. And it'll basically explain everything as to why I'm moving to Georgia. So it's just going to be me and my kids that are moving to Georgia. My husband will not be coming with us. And so it's definitely life-altering change that is taking place. And as hard as it is still like so fresh, and my mind it's still kind of like, I can't believe like this is happening, like this is my life. It's insane. There are days when I'm like, I can't believe that it's my life, and there are days where I'm like crying and emotional, and then there are days when I'm confused, there are days when I'm happy, and then there are days when I'm just sad. And so I think that the days are getting better, and also because the sun is starting to shine, it's starting to get warmer, my mental capacity to handle certain things has definitely gotten a lot better. And so moving to Georgia for me is such a highlight because it's something that I've always wanted to do. Like, we've moved to Georgia before, and I loved it there, but we moved back to New York because of my husband. He didn't like it there, so we moved back to New York. But I've always just felt the nudge from the Lord to move to the South. And now that my family is there, my parents are going to be moving down, it's the perfect time to be around family, because if you don't know, my husband and our children, we're here. We don't have any family here. We don't have any friends here. And so it's been so difficult. And then having a child with special needs, it's been extremely, extremely hard on me. And so moving to Georgia has just been such a breath of fresh air. And being able to have a village, being able to have a community, being able to be surrounded by friends and family, and just a community of family from church, and everything like that is just going to be such a great thing. And also it's going to be great for my mental health as well, because in 2023 I was suffering from depression, and just going through like the darkest time of my life. And it was hard because I didn't have my family here physically, but I had the help of my mom and my best friends, and so it's been such a great blessing, and God has truly just made a way. I mean, he has completely made provisions and provided a way for us to not only just move down there, but to fall softly, you know what I mean? And we are going to be staying with my brother for a while. I'm not really sure how long, however long the Lord allows us to be there. And while I'm there, I'm going to be, obviously doing my vlogs and my videos and cleaning and things like that. I am also going to be doing my business down there, and going, working at the school that my daughters are going to be going to. So it's going to be definitely something that's going to be different, but I am super excited about it. I am looking forward to the warmth. I am looking forward to the all year round weather that is just going to be so sustaining and so amazing. And I'm looking forward to being with my family. And I have nieces and nephews that I've never met. I have cousins that I've never met. My children has never met. And so it's so important to just be around family, period. And in this day and age, when all this craziness and chaos is going on, like, you cannot be doing life alone. You know what I mean? God did not call us to do life life alone. He called us to do life in unity and together. And so I'm very much excited and looking forward. My children are looking forward to moving down as well, to, you know, be with family and everything. So we're very excited and can't wait. So I kind of just wanted to give you guys a life update and let you guys know why we're moving and why we're selling the house and why we're moving to Georgia. So yeah, I am super excited.
Have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. When the lights are out and you stumble in the dark, you kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault.
So now I'm actually getting ready to go get my kids from school. So I'm just gonna make a little snack for myself and for Nyla, because I get Nyla for 1:45 and then I have to wait for Michaela to get out for 2:35, and then Mikey has track, so he doesn't get home until 4:30. And so I'm just making a little snack for us because it's about an hour wait, and I know that, you know, from the time that Nyla has eaten lunch to the time I pick her up, it's probably 2 hours. So I know that she just wants a little snack. So I always just bring her a little snack when I go to pick her up from school. So that's what I'm doing now. And I'm just making myself a yogurt parfait. I'm also going to have a Chomps and an apple. And then for Nyla, I'm making her a turkey wrap with some salad, and then I'm gonna give her some grapes as well. And y'all, this vinaigrette that I use, this dressing, I get it from Aldi's. It is so good. They have it in the raspberry flavor, and then they have it in the house blend. It is so delicious, you guys. So I normally just put that on her wrap. And that's Nyla moving around, by the way, all that noise that you guys are hearing. And so I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to get in the car and go get the kiddos.
Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you.
So you guys, I am actually going to end the vlog here, and it's going to be to be continued, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds.